How to install Netflix application on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application on your device and then on the search bar just type in for Netflix. After typing in for Netflix, you can see the option of install. Just tap on install and it will start to install in your device. After getting installed, tap on open and it will lead you to the home page of the Netflix application. Now after you have reached to the home page of the application, you will need to create the account, or you can just sign in if you already have an account. Due to privacy factor, the screen recording was not possible and I just blacked out, but all you need to do is just create an account and sign in. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.